This will be one of the laziest ways you can make money through YouTube Shorts. Make sure to follow along with this quick money making guide, and don't forget to like the video if by the end you're going to give this method a go. If I just come over to a channel now to show you how they're making money with this exact strategy. This one here over on Social Blade, you can see they're almost getting 7 million views each month. This is all from YouTube Shorts. This on the right is the type of content that they're posting. All it is simple animal videos, which are of course only 60 seconds long. This method doesn't necessarily have to be done with animals. It can be done with any short form content. Animals usually work well because these types of videos rack up thousands of views very quickly. They're also estimated to be earning around 17,000 a month too. But this stat here is wrong. As they're a YouTube Shorts channel, they won't be earning money through YouTube monetization. Social Blade just estimates earnings through views. It doesn't necessarily know where they come from. If you stick around, I'll show you how they're turning all this free, easy to get traffic into 10K months, if not even more. Now, how are we going to find all the content? This is then going to be the main part you're going to have to do some work on. Even though it's very simple, it's the part that will usually take the most time, due to you wanting to be posting very regularly. So for this method, we can use multiple different social platforms. The main two that we're going to be using are TikTok and Instagram. I'm going to show you Instagram Reels and show you how to save these videos from there. TikTok can then be done in the exact same way. You may have to just use a slightly different website to save the clips. So now over on Instagram, you'll want to search for funny animals or whatever your niche that you've chosen is. Then this is going to be the main area of finding content for your channel. As well as this method, another great way, which is much more original, is if you have a pet at home, just video them and use those videos. You'll find that with the YouTube algorithm on Shorts, at the minute, these could get thousands of views within days of being posted. This will then save you a lot of time from downloading all of these ones here. If you can't do that, whatever way you're going to do it, it doesn't really hugely matter. But for the Instagram right now, I'll show you how you can then download these to your files. So say we wanted this one here. You click on it, then go to the top right hand corner and then press copy link. Then you can bring that into our next website called igram.io. What we want to do is then paste this link into this box here and press download. From there you can then press download MP4 and that's then going to be saved to your computer. From there you can then post it as a YouTube short. I would also suggest giving credit to the original author as well. This method would not be able to be done for long form content. So you wouldn't be able to copy this and then put it onto YouTube as like a 10-minute clip. But for shorts or TikToks, for example, this is absolutely fine. It gets done by many huge channels. Okay, so now you've set up your channel, you've got all your videos saved and you're ready to post. Let me now show you how we can make money without using YouTube's monetization. Like I said in my description, we're going to be using affiliate marketing. So come over to a website called Digistore24. Other ones will work as well for this method, like ClickBank or Warrior Plus. It all depends on what products you can find and what niche you chose at the beginning. Digistore has loads of products to choose from, so it'll be easy to find one for animals. So once you've signed in or logged in or made a free account, you'll be able to then access their marketplace. They have thousands of different products and different categories, like I said. So let's head into our niche, animals and pets, to find ones that fit what we're doing videos on. Now, how affiliate marketing works is you're using that free traffic that you're getting with thousands of views from your shorts, directing the views to your affiliate link, either in your description or down in the comment section of those videos, for you to then be making sales on these products that we've found on the right in Digistore. To get these affiliate links that you're going to be wanting to put in your comment section, just press promote now, and then you'll have a specialized link that will credit you for any sales through it. So this specific product here will give us around $20 per sale. This method won't require you to become an affiliate for huge products that are very expensive, as people won't impulse buy a $400 product, say. Or if they do, it'll be very rare and it won't happen every day. We're going to be affiliates for these smaller products that are around $40 to $50. This one's $50 on average. So then say we get thousands of views a day. If even 10 or 20 people buy, we can then make $400, as it's around $20 per sale. You'll want to be doing this method with all these different categories. So find different shorts channels on YouTube that link with different categories over on Digistore or ClickBank or anything like that. Either use Instagram Reels or you can use TikTok to find all your content. I would also highly suggest posting daily short content, if not even more if you can. You will then be generating tons of views every month, allowing you to make the most amount of money possible. If you have enjoyed this short form content, make sure to let me know in the comments so I know to upload more. Also be sure to subscribe for future money making methods.